All right, here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Billy Tate, and this is day 2 of my 30 days in front of the camera challenge, where I'm trying to get out from behind the camera and bring you my real progress as I get in front of the camera and insights and lessons one day at a time as I go through this challenge. First, I want to do a recap of day 1. If you caught my day 1 video, you may have noticed something. I sure did. I used and a bunch of other filler words a lot. Honestly, when I watched the playback, I realized how often I relied on them, especially when I wasn't sure what to say next or lost my train of thought. Why do we use them? Part of it is the pressure to keep talking while we gather our thoughts. Sometimes it's about filling silence, but for me, it was definitely the nerves and uncertainty. It's my way of buying time when I'm not sure what to say next or when I'm just getting comfortable in front of the camera. So after watching day 1, my big lesson is silence is okay. Pausing doesn't mean you've lost your place. It shows you're thinking, and it actually makes your delivery sound more confident and intentional. I'm learning that being comfortable on the camera isn't just about never making a mistake, but getting used to minor hiccups and rolling with them. Just keep going. Another thing that I've been trying to concentrate on is acting as if the camera is my best friend. I know it sounds cheesy, but think about it. When you're talking to your best friend, you're relaxed, you have energy, and your natural personality comes out. You're not worried about every little word or pause. So I'm trying to bring that same energy here. Let my personality shine through, be a little more animated, crack a joke or two, but not too much. But finding that sweet spot where I can be myself without being overwhelming, that's the goal. To help with today's video, I'm using a new tool, the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. This is the first time I've tried it, and honestly, it's kind of cool. It's helping me stay on topic, avoid rambling, and cut down on those and moments. If you're interested in how it works, stick around and subscribe because I'll be doing a full review of the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter in a future video that we'll try to put into this series. I'll show you how to set it up and let you know if it's worth it for improving on-camera performance. I want to give you a little bit of encouragement. To anyone out there that's thinking about starting their own 30 days in front of the camera challenge, keep going. Every video is a chance to get better and more comfortable. We're going to let crutch words remind you to pause, breathe, and keep learning. We're going to try new tools if you need them. And remember, treat this camera like your best friend. I want you to leave me a comment if you've got your own tips for ditching and or if you're using a teleprompter, let me know what works for you. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the rest of this journey and upcoming teleprompter review and other things that we're going to be doing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3, and God bless.